Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny. If this is your first time in this channel, thank you for stopping by, and also thank you to my host subscribers for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Today's video is the cutting and the sewing of this detachable structure sleeve, as you see right here. I don't actually know what it's called, but I think it's very lovely. So let's get into it. Welcome again, guys. So to cut out the sleeve, I have gone ahead to fold my fabric like this. You fold it into two, then after that fold it again like this, so making 4 times. To see me doing. So after folding it, guys, I'm going to be pinning it up for it to stay in place. So the length for this fabric is 14 inches and the width is 13 inches. So that is how long and wide I want it to be. So from the center front, I'm going to go in by 4 inches. Then at the hem part, I'm going to go in by ½ inch. Connect the points like this. So after connecting, you can see what we have right here. So at this hem part, I'm going to be trimming off the excess. Then go ahead and cut it out. So guys, after cutting it out, this is what we have. So we have 2 pieces right here, so which is going to serve for the 2 sleeves. So you're going to be gathering it up like this. You can see, you can use your machine to do the gathers, or you can use your hand needle. So I'm going to be cutting my peplum stay on it. So guys, after cutting my peplum stay, you can see what it's looking like. You can see, you can use a collar stay depending how strong you want it to be. And I've also gone ahead to cut out my lining for it. So I'm going to be placing my lining on it like this on the right side of the fabric. So then I'm going to be pinning it up for you guys to see how it's going to come out. So at this part where I pinned is where I'm going to be stitching on. So after that, I'm going to be flipping it over like this, so you can see what I'm doing. So you make sure you push all the lining inside to the wrong part. So after that, you go ahead and top stitch it round like this. So make sure all the linings are not showing at the right side of the fabric. So guys, after doing that, this is what I have, and I've also gone ahead to make my gathers with my hand needle. So you can see me pulling it like this. So I'm just going to be pulling it to form the gathers, so you can see what I'm doing. So from the hem, you're going to go up by 1 inch. So that is where you're going to start your gathers from. So you can see that I also notched the midpoints. So I went ahead to cut out this little piece of fabric, which I'm going to be using as the hemming. So the width of this fabric is 22 inches and the length is 1.5 inches. So I'm also going to indicate the midpoint of this piece of fabric like this. So after that, I'm going to be placing the midpoint to the midpoint of the sleeve together. Then I'll go ahead and pin this down. So after doing this, guys, I'm going to be pulling the threads. So as you are pulling the threads, you make sure it gives enough gathers. So you are going to place the end of that little piece of fabric to the end of the sleeve like this. So after that, you're going to gather up all the excess at that sleeve. You're going to gather it on that little piece of fabric like you see me doing. So guys, I've gone ahead to do that, and this is what it gave me. So you can see what we have. So make sure you do yours and let it come out beautiful like this. So after that, I'm going to be folding this part in just to close up the rough edges. You can see what I'm doing. So you're going to stitch it all around to this end. So guys, I've gone ahead to do that, and as you can see how neat this sleeve is looking like on the inside and also at the outside of it. So guys, this is it, and this part is going to be on the shoulder, and this part you're going to attach it to the dress. To attach it to the dress, what you will do is I'm just going to place 5.5, which I off while drafting this pattern. So I'm going to come down by 11.5. You can see what I'm doing. So that is where the sleeve is going to be placed on. You can see I've gone ahead to mark my 11.5. So you can go as low as your under bust, but I want to use 11 inches for this sleeve. So right now I went ahead to place the sleeve like this. So making sure that the sleeve is resting on the dress and is facing right side to right side as you see me doing. So I'm just going to be holding this up with my pin. So we advise you to pin this up first so that you'll be able to get it right before stitching it down. So from the center front, I marked out 5 inches at both sides. So this is going to be my brass strap to brass strap. So just go ahead and measure yours. So at that part, I'm going to be pinning it down also. So you can see what I have. So you can see how this is already coming out. So coming to the back, what you are going to do is at the top of the front part, I'm going to measure out the 5.5 I took out for the off the shoulder. Then I'll mark it here. Then after that, I'm going to be holding that part like this. Then you can see the excess on the sleeve area. So that excess, I'm just going to place them on the back piece, like you see me doing like this. So I'm just going to place the excess sleeve on the back piece and I'm going to pin it down. So after pinning it down, guys, I went ahead to turn it to the right side, and this is what we have. You can see how it's already looking. It's not yet stitched down, but it's already looking so beautiful. You can see the sleeve. This is a structure sleeve, so if you want the sleeve to stand more, you can go ahead and add your boning, or you can add a crinoline to it. So guys, I'm going to attach the other sleeve. So just like the way we did for the first one, I'm just going to place the sleeve like this on that 11.5 inches I marked out. So after that, I'm also going to place it at the top where I marked my 5 inches. Then I'm just going to be pinning it up like this. So after pinning it up, I'm also going to measure out the 5.5 eye off from the shoulder while drafting, so you can see what I'm doing. So just follow this step in placing your sleeve and you are going to get it right. I'm just going to place the excess sleeve again at the back piece like you see me doing. So after that, I turned it out to the right side and you can see what the both sleeves are looking like. So this is an exaggerated sleeve. It's a stylish sleeve. It's very beautiful. So you can see, guys. So let me know what you think on the comment section. Do you actually like this sleeve? So this is how it came out, guys. So you can see how beautiful it's looking, and this is what the back is also looking like. So thank you very much, guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you to all my subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. And if you don't want to sew down the sleeve, you can actually use your pressing button. So you're just going to attach it on this part like this, on this part, and also at the back part like that. So thank you for all your time. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. Bye. Talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my